Power. So I'm here to help you to fix this Google AdSense problem. So usually we need to face this. We used to face this problem, which is any at risk. You need to fix this ads test file in issue to avoid several impact to your revenue. So to fix the problem, I will show you. Just watch this video to the end, and I will show you step by step how you can fix it, and your website will be you can monetize your website in a way that you want. So before we start, my name is God's Power. If you don't know, I make video a way on how to make money online. So you need to check my YouTube channel out and see if you find something that is suitable to what you want. I make video a way on how to make money online for completely free. You are not paying anything, so you just watch them, apply the strategy I showed you, and you will be able to start making money online. So we are just going to head over to our Google AdSense so that I'll show you how you can fix this problem. So to fix the problem, all you just need to do is to go to your AdSense account and click on Fix Now, the section that says Fix Now, on that thing that is showing error on your Google AdSense account. Click on it. So once you click on it, you will see this text message. It says, to prevent several impact on revenue, download and test add test file to then upload the file to the root level domain of each site. The site that is connected to this AdSense account is God's Power, and we can fix that. You can see it here. This is the site that is connected to this AdSense account. So it said that Google is telling us that it take let me say 1 days to 1 month for them to verify your account. Depend if your account reflect automatically, they will verify it for you. But if your account reflect maybe in 1 week or 2 weeks, it will be 1 month before this thing will stop showing on your AdSense account. So to start doing it, you just need to click on download the file. So once you download the file, you will see that the file have been downloaded at the bottom here. So you just see the file have been downloaded. So to upload this file, we just need to go to our Google account. Then we need our website. We need to go to our website to upload it. So once we are on our website, we just need to go to plugin. We just need to go to plugin and add new. So let us wait for everything to open properly. So once it open properly, we just need to go to plugin and add new. We need to click on plugin, add new. Then we need to add a plugin that we can use to fix this problem. So once we are plugin, then we need to search for this plugin. It's called Add Text, TXT, just like this. TXT, exactly like this. Add TXT. So search for this here, and once you search for it, is this one at the bottom here that have a stamp mark here. This logo here, as you can see here, I will zoom in so that you see it properly. It's called Add Test Manager. So install it if you have not installed it. So once you have installed it, then activate it. So once it's active, then you need to go to your settings. So to go to settings, you need to scroll down. So once you have activated that plugin, then you need to go to settings. Go to settings and come to this section that said Add Test. Click on it. Yeah, you come to this section that say Add Test. This section here that say Add Test. Click on it. So once you click on it, here you are going to paste the document you just downloaded from AdSense. So click on here to open the document you just downloaded. Open it, open the document. So once you open the document, you need to copy the document, copy it, and copy everything. So once you copy everything, you just need to come here and paste it here. So once you paste it, you have to paste the document here. So once you paste the document, you will now save changes. So once you save changes, to see if this thing is really working, there's something you need to do. So to see if it's working, you need to now do one technique here, what Google is telling us to do. We need to search for our site slash add dot test. So we need to search for it. Let us enter it here. Is this, just search for this ads dot text, tst. So search for this. So once you search for it, it will show something like this. If it don't show, you will know that is not recognized by Google. You need to repeat everything we just did. So if it did not work, you need to repeat everything like I showed you. So once you are able to do it and is able to open like this, you will know that your account has been successfully connected. So you need to wait for Google to reflect everything and make sure everything for Google to verify everything, and that message will not show again on your AdSense account again. So that is how you can fix this problem here that says earning at risk. You need to fix this same ads text file to issue to avoid several impact to your revenue. So to fix the problem, I showed you how you can fix everything, and I hope that it really help you. And if it help you, all I just want you to do is to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share it on social media, and don't forget to check my website at www.rigospower.com, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, I am Rigos Power, and don't forget to follow me on my Facebook, I am Rigos Power. So thank you very much, and peace. See you soon away on how to make money, and bye bye.